Today I made chicken tal-taley jhol. It is my comfort food, as you all know. It's hot. I've shared the recipe one more time. Do watch it. It's a part of this video. I've shared it many times, but you'll keep asking me about it, so keep watching. This is my chicken tal-taley jhol. Recipe is included in this video. Heat a pan and add some mustard oil. Add some whole garam masala. Add one chopped onion. Cook this till it's translucent. Add 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste. Cook this for a minute. Add 1 chopped tomato, some salt to taste, and a pinch of sugar. Again, cook for about 2 minutes. I'm adding half a teaspoon cumin powder, 1 whole teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. I'm adding 3 green chilies, half teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon pepper powder. Add a little water and cook this till the oil separates. When the oil separates, add 1 tablespoon of curd. Cook this on low flame again till the oil separates. Now that the oil is separated, I'm adding half a kilo chicken, 500 grams of curry cut chicken, and 2 chopped potatoes, which I'm not going to fry. Now cook this on a medium flame till the oil separates. When the oil separates, add some hot water. Make sure it covers the chicken. That is what will make it a tal-taley jhol. Adjust your salt and give it a good mix and cover it once it comes to a boil. When it comes to a boil, put it on low flame and cook it for 15 minutes till your chicken is cooked. 15 minutes are over and my chicken is ready. Smells delicious. This is my famous chicken tal-taley jhol, which is a light Bengali chicken curry. It is my soul food. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ghee. And no, it will still be light. It's just for the aroma. A lot of people think it doesn't go with it, but trust me, try it. You will love it. I'm going to switch off the stove and let it rest for about 10 minutes. And then we shall eat. What is your dinner? And try my tal-taley jhol now. The recipe is out again.